Hi everyone, Pinay Ines, Kaylee here. Anyo nga sa'yo today. I'm going to show you how to set up the yarn o yung sinulid ng Brother JA20. So magsisimula tayo sa ganito. Just follow the instruction. Actually, pinapakita naman ito, but just in case na forget mo, ito yung mga hindi pa marunong talaga at hindi pa gamay ang Brothers JA20. Ganyan lang siya, guys. And then we're going to put it on here. May numbering naman at arrow. And then yan. And then we're going to put and hook the yung sinulid inside the needle. Like that. And then we're going to plug it in. And this is the pedal. And this is the on button or the start button. Kailangan nakaplug yan. And then if we're going to on it, may ilaw dito sa machine. And then we're going to pedal it. So ganyan lang po kadali. I hope you like it. Happy sewing!